I really love Sean, Dad. He loves me a lot. He is not a greedy man.
I really love Sean ډېر زه په حقیقت سره له شان سره مینه کوم پلاره. He loves me a lot هغه له ما سره ډېره مینه کوي. He is not a greedy man هغه یو لالچي انسان یعنې سړی نه دی. greedy ویل کېږي لالچي ته.
You are very gullible. He is a greedy man. He does not love you.
You are very gullible ته ډېر د اعتبار وړ جینۍ یې. یعنې په خلکو باندې ډېر زر اعتبار کوي. هغه ته بیا gullible ویل کېږي. He is a greedy man هغه یو لالچي سړی دی. He does not love you هغه له تا سره مینه نه کوي.
He is cheating on you, my sweetie.
He is cheating on you, my sweetie هغه له تا سره دوکه کوي زما خوږې.
This cannot be happening, Dad. He does not care about money.
This cannot be happening, my dad دا نشي واقع کېدلی زما پلاره. He does not care about money هغه د روپو باره کې هیڅ فکر نه کوي. and د روپو باره کې کوم هغه نه لري خیال یې نسته.
By the way, where is he? He did not come today.
By the way, where is he هغه چیرته ده. He did not come today هغه نن نه دی راغلی.
His dad is sick today. He will be a little late, Dad.
His dad is sick today د هغه پلار نن مریض دی. He will be a little late today هغه به نن لږ ناوخته شي پلاره.
He lied to you. He is not sincere with you.
He lied to you هغه تا ته دروغ ویلې. He is not sincere with you هغه له تا سره مخلص نه دی. sincere ویل کېږي مخلص ته.
Why are you saying this, Dad?
Why are you saying this, Dad? ته ولې دا وایې پلاره.
He is seeing another girl at our hotel. My manager saw Sean with another girl.
He is seeing another girl at our hotel هغه له بل جنۍ سره ولیدل شو یعنې لیدل کېږي په هوټل کې. My manager saw Sean with another girl زما منیجر شان له بل جنۍ سره ولیده.
What? He cannot cheat on me. He never lied to me, Dad.
What, sir? He cannot cheat on me هغه له ما سره دوکه نشي کولی. He never lied to me, Dad. هغه هیڅکله هم ما ته دروغ نه دی ویلي پلاره.
He is using you. I am your dad. I want the best for you.
He is using you هغه ته استعمالوي. I am your dad. زه ستا پلار یم. I want the best for you. زه ستا لپاره تر ټولو ښه غواړم.
He is at our hotel right now. He lied to you.
He is at our hotel right now هغه اوس زموږ په هوټل کې ده. He lied to you هغه تا ته دروغ ویلې.
I count on him, Dad. He just loves me.
I count on him, Dad. زه په هغه باندې یقین کوم پلاره. count on ویل کېږي یقین کول. He just loves me هغه یوازې له ما سره مینه کوي.
You have lost your mind. You can check on him. He is still at the hotel.
You have lost your mind تا خپل دماغ لاسه ورکړی دی. mind ویل کېږي دماغو ته. You can check on him ته هغه چک کولی شي لیدلی شي. He is still at the hotel هغه تر اوسه بری په هوټل کې ده.
Fine, Dad. I am going there. I know my Sean loves me.
Fine, Dad. ټیک د پلاره. I'm going there. زه هلته ځمه. I know زه پوهیږم my Sean loves me چې شان له ما سره مینه کوي.
Hello, my dear Sean. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hello, my dear Sean. سلام زما خوږه شانه. Long time no see. ډېر وخت کېږي چې لیدلی مې نه یې. څه دی؟ د long time no see مطلب دا دی چې ډېر وخت کېږي لیدلی مې نه یې. How have you been? ته څنګه یې؟
Stop being dramatic. What do you want to tell me?
Stop being dramatic. ډرامه بازي بنده که. What do you want to tell me? ته څه غواړې چې ما ته ووایې؟
Please have a seat, Sean. I missed you so much. I love you a lot.
Please have a seat, Sean. مهرباني وکړه کښېنه شانه. I missed you so much. ما ته ډېر یادولې. I love you a lot. زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم.
I want to marry you, Sean. I am sorry. I broke up with you.
I want to marry you, Sean. زه غواړم چې تا سره واده وکړم شانه. Marry ویل کېږي واده کول. I am sorry. زه بخښنه غواړم. I broke up with you چې ما له تا سره اړیکه وشکوه. تعلق مې سره وشکو.
Have you lost your mind? I love someone. I don't love you anymore.
Have you lost your mind? آیا تا خپل دماغ لاس ورکړی دی؟ I love someone. زه له بل چا سره مینه کوم. I don't love you anymore. زه تا سره نوره مینه نه کوم.
If you don't want to tell me anything, then I am leaving.
If you don't want to tell me anything, که چیرې ته نه غواړې چې ماته یو څه ووایې, then I am leaving. بیا زه ځمه.
You kept me like this. Did you remember that night?
You cannot leave me like this. ته نشې کولی چې ما داسې پرېږدې. Did you remember that night? آیا ستا هغه شپه یادېږي؟
We slept together. You loved me so much.
We slept together. موږ یو ځای سملستلي وو. You loved me so much. تا له ما سره ډېره مینه کوله.
Why are you lying? I was drunk that night. I don't remember anything.
Why are you lying? ته ولې دروغ وایې؟ I was drunk that night. ما په هغه شپه باندې شراب څښلی وو. I don't remember anything. زما هیڅ هم نه یادېږي.
I did not cross my limits.
I did not cross my limits. زما خپل حدونه لاسه یعنی زه له خپل حدونو څخه نه وم اوښتی. پوه شې کراس کړي مې نه ول. Limits ویل کېږي حدونه. حد.
I loved you, but you broke up with me because I was poor.
I loved you. ما تا سره مینه کوله. But you broke up with me. لیکن تا له ما سره اړیکه وشکوله. Because I was poor. ځکه چې زه غریب وم.
Welcome, Madam Cora. How can I help you?
Welcome, Madam Cora. ښه راغلاست, Madam Cora. How can I help you? څنګه کولی شم چې ستاسو کومک وکړم؟
Do you know my driver Sean? Is he here?
Do you know my driver Sean? آیا ته زما Do you know آیا ته پوهېږې Sorry. Do you know my driver Sean? آیا ته زما ډرایور شان پیژنې؟ Is he here? آیا هغه دلته دی؟
Yes, he is here with a girl.
Yes, he is here with a girl. هغه دلته دی له یوې جینۍ سره.
What? Are you sure about that? Is he Sean?
What, sir? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? آیا ته د هغه په اړه کې یقیني یې؟ Is he Sean? آیا هغه شان دی؟
Yes, madam. I am sure. Sean is here. He is in room number 205.
Yes, madam. هو madam. I am sure. زه یقیني یم. Sean is here. Sean دلته دی. He is in room number 205. هغه په روم نمبر 205 کې دی.
Okay, thanks. I want to meet him.
Okay, thanks. ټیک دی, مننه. I want to meet him. زه غواړم چې له هغه سره ملاقات وکړم.
My Sean cannot cheat on me. I have to check on him.
My Sean cannot cheat on me. زما شان نشي کولی چې له ما سره دوکه وکړي. I have to check on him. زه باید د هغه چک کوم وی ګورم.
I am leaving right now. Don't try to call me again. I hope you got it.
I am leaving right now. زه همدا اوس ځمه. Don't try to call me again. کوشش ونه کړي چې ما ته دوباره زنګ ووهي. I hope زه امید لرم you got it چې ته پوه شوې یې.
You cannot leave me, Sean. I want to marry you.
You cannot leave me, Sean. ته نشې کولی چې ما پرېږدې شانه. I want to marry you. زه غواړم چې له تا سره واده وکړم.
I am sorry about my mistakes. You have to take care of me in this situation.
I am sorry about my mistakes. زه بخښنه غواړم زما د غلطیو. Mistakes ویل کېږي غلطیانې. You have to take care of me. ته باید زما خیال وساتې. In this situation په دې حالات کې. Situation ویل کېږي حالات ته.
What are you talking about? What do you want to tell me?
What are you talking about? ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوې؟ What do you want to tell me? ته څه غواړې چې ما ته ووایې؟
I am 3 months pregnant, Sean.
I am 3 months pregnant, Sean. زه د 3 میاشتو امیدواره یم شانه. Pregnant ویل کېږي امیدواره.
This is our baby, Sean. You are the father of this baby.
This is our baby, Sean. دا زموږ ماشوم دی شانه. You are the father of this baby. ته د دې ماشوم پلار یې.
You have to marry me right now.
You have to marry me right now. ته باید له ما سره همدا اوس واده وکړې.
No. This cannot be happening. It cannot be true.
No, نه this cannot be happening دا نشي واقع کېدلی. It cannot be true دا رښتیا نشي کېدلی.
You are lying. It is impossible.
You are lying to دروغ وایې. It is impossible دا ناممکن دی.
Why would I lie to you? I am pregnant, Sean. I am your responsibility.
Why would I lie to you ما به تا ولې دروغ ویلې. I am pregnant زه امیدواره یم شانه. I am your responsibility زه ستا ذمواري یم. Responsibility ویل کېږي ذمواري ته.
I cannot forget my past. You have ruined my life, Sean.
I cannot forget my past نشم کولای چې خپل تیر هیر کما. You have ruined my life شان تا زما ژوند تباه کړی دی شانه.
I love you so much. Let's get married.
I love you so much زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم. Let's get married راځه چې واده وکړو.
Shut up. I will not marry you. I love someone.
Shut up چپ شه. I will not marry you زه به له تا سره واده نه کوم. I love someone زه له بل چا سره مینه کوم.
Sean.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.